Hello, students. How are you? This is the most stressful day for us because nowadays we are in the we are in the forced vacation. So this is gonna be getting depressing day by day. All we know that we have to study. We have to continue our study because after opening up the school or college, the exam will be held, and if it doesn't, then online exam will be held. So you cannot stop your study. uh, I'm yeah, previous class yesterday. In previous class, I just finished up the chapter 5, the legal aspect of business. And I gave you some homework of creative question 1 and 2 mentioned in your exercise part. Now I am giving you some extra question, short questions. Here these short questions are important, and we checked I just checked all the board questions, and which is necessary, which is important for you, and just after checking that, I just selected some of them. No, those are most important. Here is the list, and I'm gonna discuss it today. Please make sure that these questions are taken by you in on the copy of your business entrepreneurship, because these will be helpful for your future exam. First one is, what is intellectual property? Explain. What is intellectual property? Do you know that? Obviously you know that, because I just already discussed in the previous classes intellectual property. And please, when you are engaged in your class, online classes, please sit with your textbook, because I'm giving every questions and discussing it related with the textbook, so it will be helpful for you. So make sure that you are sitting with the textbook when you're getting in the class. Now, first question was what is intellectual property? Explain. Okay, 2 marks question. That's why you have to write down some of the information about the intellectual property. That means first you have to define it. Works created from creativity and intellectuality is called intellectual property. That means which you create by your creativity or using your creativity and intellectuality is called intellectual property. Here there are something mentioned in your para: inventions applicable to business, industry or commerce, arts and literature. That means, so which are the this is the what are the intellectual properties? These are the example: inventions applicable to the business, industry or commerce, arts and literature, design, symbol, name, etc. are included in the intellectual property. The intellectual properties of an entrepreneur are those which have been invented with a long time effort. That means you have to when you create something, that means it needs a long time effort. So this is called intellectual property. And last you can add another line. What it is? It is you can mention that the intellectual property day on 26 April is observed every year in the whole world. So this is the answer. Now second question, what is patent? Explain. Okay, what is patent? Patent here, patent is an one kind of intellectual property, and with the help of patent you can get what you can get. With the help of patent, the inventor is given a monopoly ownership over his invention. That means you will be the sole owner of your invention. This is the monopoly ownership which is given by the patent. In this case, an agreement is signed between the inventor and the government, Giving patent to the inventor means that anybody cannot make it, use it, or sell it for a particular period of time. These are the enough for your answer. These lines are enough for your answer, and this is the appropriate lines for your question. So not necessary to mention far more lines or rest of the parts. You don't have to mention it. Just mentioned patent is one kind of intellectual property, and with the help of patent the invention can get the sole ownership of his invention. And in this case an agreement is happened between the inventor and the government. And giving patent to the inventor means that anybody cannot duplicate it or copy it or use it or sell it for a particular period of time. And the patent must be also the patent must be registered also. So this is the and last of all you can add just a little information that in Bangladesh the patent and design law is in 1911 is in force. So this is the answer for your question. Now when is World Intellectual Property Day celebrated? I just already mentioned that when I am defining the intellectual property, the intellectual property worldwide celebrated on 26th April. 26th of April. This is the most important MCQ question for your exam. So this is the intellectual property day celebrated on this day. Which year of patent law does exist in Bangladesh? Okay, which year of patent law does exist in Bangladesh? I already told that this is the patent law, patent and design law is 1911. Okay, 1911 patent and design law does exist in Bangladesh. And number 5, what is trademark? What is trademark? Here, trademark is used to differentiate products in trade from other same and identical products. In the similar way, in case of service, it is called the service mark. Okay, trademark is used to differentiate products. That means if you want to if you want to give the self identity of your product, you have to use the trademark. Trademark means it's a mark, one kind of mark, logo, or it can be anything. Maybe it's color, number, brand, word, letter, symbol, anything can be used as a trademark. So trademark is just make sure the definition is should be trademark is used to differentiate the product from the similar products present does exist in the market. ঠিক আছে? Okay, this is and which can be and what is the main objective of trademark? The main objective of the mark or symbol is self identity. And the trademark can be anything like device, brand, heading, label, ticket, name, signature, word, letter, symbol, numbers, added things, mix of color. Any combination of these at any form will be included in trademark. But packing is not included in the trademark. That means the package of the product does not related to the trademark. Okay, number 6, what is service mark? What is service mark? Here it is mentioned in just follow the cursor point. When the mark which is used in case of service to differentiate the service from the other similar service, so it is called the service mark. And the definition is mostly similar to the trademark. Just you can use that replace it with the service mark. Just replace the trademark word in the with the service mark. So this is gonna be and products and also you just change the word products. Just write down, don't write the products, write down it as a service. Like service mark is used to differentiate service in trade from other same identical service. That means just replace the trademark and with the service mark. This is called service mark. So that is the answer. What is the main objective of mark? I just mentioned it earlier. Here the main objective of the mark or symbol is self identity. Here, can you see? Yes, this is the answer, self identity. Okay. Number 8. For how many years is initially the trademark registration given? For how many years? Initially, you can get the registration. Do you remember it? Okay, I think you can. I think you do. That is the time limit of trademark registration. You can find it in here. The owner of the registered trademark reserves the exclusive right to use the mark. This registration is given for 7 years initially. That means the answer is 7 years. Initially, you will be given 7 years for registration of trademark. What is the next question? For how many years is the trademark renewed if it is applied before expiry date? Okay. Before expiry, if you apply for renewal, then you will be given 10 years. Here, this is the cursor point, and just follow it. 10 years at first, or initially you can be given 7 years, but if you apply for renewal before expiry, then you will be given 10 years. This is the answer. Okay. Now, for how many years is initially number 10, which year of trademark law is in force in the subcontinent? Which year? 1940. In this subcontinent, trademark act has been introduced in 1940. Okay. This is the number 11. Which year of trademark laws is in force in Bangladesh? The trademark law is in force in Bangladesh is trademark act or law is 2009. That means in the subcontinent the act is 1940, but in Bangladesh trademark act is 2009. Now number 12. What is insurance? Okay, here I just already discussed it in the previous class on 6/5. I think the date is 6/5, 6 April, 6th May. The insurance. What is insurance? Insurance means it is the way of reducing risk with involved in business. We know that business and risk are related to each other. You cannot separate them from each other. When you are involved in any business, you have to you cannot take a little step without any risk. You have to think about clearly about your risk to start up a business, and clearly you have to think how you can remove or reduce the risk easily, because if you cannot reduce the risk, that will be that will gradually hamper your activities on the on new on start a business. That means initially you have to think about the risk and how to reduce this risk. So this is important thing when you are involved in the business. So you can tell that you can use the first para. The probability of loss in a business for any reason is called business risk. When the risk is related to the probability of loss in business for any reason is called business risk. Without risk there is no business. There are different type of risk or natural risk you can face. Storm, flood, cyclone, and excessive rain. Besides, business enterprise can face huge damage because of burglary, snatching, fire, boat, rail, and motor accidents. That means dakati, churi, accident. So insurance is a better way to reduce the risk involved in business. So this is the answer. Specify the time limit of trademark registration. Specify the time limit. Okay, that means you have to answer. You can find the answer in this para. Here clearly this is the answer of your question. The time limit of trademark registration. This para will should be given in your copy. What is the question? What is the question? Specify the time limit of trademark registration. That means the owner of registered trademark reserves the exclusive right to use the mark. So this registration is given for 7 years initially. It can be renewed for 10 years if application is made before the expiry. If any agreement is breached মানে লঙ্ঘন করা, if any agreement is breached or any complaint is proved, the registration can be cancelled if it is not renewed in time. That means if you the registration is not renewed, then your registration can be cancelled easily. So you have to renew it for the future. In this subcontinent, trademark act has been introduced in 1940, but in Bangladesh at present we are following the trademark act 2009. So this is the answer and this is the information of this number 13 question. Sorry. Number 14, what are the necessities of trademark registration? Necessity of trademark registration is also clearly and specifically mentioned in your chapter. This is the answer. Necessity of trademark registration. Registered trademark gives the owner sole ownership or entitlement to use the mark exclusively. Without the permission of the registered owner, nobody can use the mark. If the registered mark is renowned, the owner shall enjoy his ownership on all the products having the marks, and the mark is protected under the law. If the rights are breached, the owner can sue against to protect his rights. That means necessity of trademark registration ke, that means registered trademark gives you sole ownership about the to use the mark exclusively, and without any permission, without your permission, anybody cannot copy it or anybody cannot use it. If anyone use it, then you can sue against them to protect your right. So this is the necessity, or this is the importance of trademark registration. Okay, number 15. Which is the most popular insurance in the business? Which is the most popular insurance in the insurance business? I just told you yesterday, this is the life insurance. This is the answer is life insurance is most popular business in the most popular in the insurance business. Here life insurance is the most popular among all the insurance business. The insurance policy which gives the insured or any nominated person a certain sum of money by the insurer against insurance premium after a certain period of time or date of the person is called life insurance. Life of human being is the subject matter of his insurance. Since life cannot be compensated, it cannot be called the contract of compensation like all other insurance contracts. So this is the answer, and it is enough for your answer. This is enough. Try to write down it properly, but if you cannot recall it fully, just at first say that the most popular insurance in the business is life insurance, and then mention the definition of the life insurance. Then enough for your 2 marks question. Why is fire insurance called the compensation deal? Why is fire insurance called? I just just mentioned that all the insurance are called compensation contract, but the life insurance is not called, cannot be called contract of compensation. Why? Compensation deal or compensation contract. Why it is saying that fire insurance is a compensation deal or compensation contract? That means when loss occurred due to the fire accidents, and then the compensation will be given to the insured person or insured organization. So this is called the compensation deal. You can compensate the accidents caused by the fire, so this is called compensation contract. in the life insurance you cannot compensate human life, but in the fire insurance, fire accidents fire accidents are happen to the um, policies taken to protect goods, house, warehouse, factories and machinery. That means these are the this is not live things. Okay, this is not live things. So in this case the fire insurance is given to them when accident happens due to the causes of fire. So after the losses causes by the fire, then compensation will be given to the insured person or insured organization. That's why you can say that fire insurance is called the compensation deal. What do you mean by copyright? Copyright, you will find it in here. Okay, in the chapter the copyright para is here is the copyright, intellectual property. It is in the intellectual property. Copyright. Why copyright is used? Because the copyright used to protect the creativity of any writer, any filmmaker, music director, instrumental music, which are involved in instrumental music, sculpture, art, or also who are the software maker. So copyright is another intellectual property, and it is not protected, and huge losses can be happen. Exclusive ownership is given on the use of literature. Here it is, use of literature, arts and culture with the help of copyright. That means this is called copyright. Copyright is used to make sure that nobody can copy your creativity, or your literature, your art, your sculpture, your software, your anything that is created by with the creativity. So this is called copyright. What is life insurance? Already mentioned in. And what is the major function of BSTI? Major function of BSTI is to give to make sure that the introducing a new product in the market, BSTI just make sure that this product cannot causes any hamper or damages to the health of the consumers, or that means the main function is giving the certificate for the quality of the products. So it just ensure that the quality of the products is good, and it cannot hamper the consumers. So this is the main function or major function. What is marine insurance? Marine insurance is the insurance which is related with river journey. Losses due to associated with river journey or sea voyage is called marine insurance. The insurance policy which gives protection from the risk associated with river journey and sea voyage is called marine insurance. A major part of the world business is done through waterways. To avoid the risk related to waterways such as storm, tsunami, pirates, etc., marine insurance can be taken. So this is the answer. If it is for 1 mark, then just write down the answer in 1 line, and for 2 marks just mentioned all the information just given in your book. That will be enough. So this is the end of our lecture today. See you soon, and hope you will write down on your copy, and this is your homework, and obviously you will practice it. And till to tomorrow, no, tomorrow, not tomorrow, in the next class we'll discuss some creative questions with you. So till then, take care and bye bye.